Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this super quick, very easy, beginner friendly wig install tutorial, and this hair is from ISEE Hair. This wig is pretty new. They just came out with their Invisible Drawstring, and if you guys don't know what that is, I'll show you guys in the next few clips. This hair is so pretty. This is their Waterwave wig, and the lace is already pre-cut, so you don't have to do all the cutting, and the knots on this wig is already bleached. If you guys love watching wig install tutorials or just any beauty tutorials in general, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. So if you guys want to know how to install this very quick and easy pre-cut lace wig from ISEE Hair and just know more information about the hair, then just keep on watching. I really love ISEE Hair's packaging. Their packaging is so cute and girly. The hair came in this sparkly pink box, packaged perfectly, and it does let you know that the hair is 22 inches on the plastic bag and it is a Waterwave wig. It does come with the extra adjustable strap just in case if you don't like the one that it comes with. The knots on this wig is perfectly bleached. They are not over bleached. And this is a 360 all around pre-cut lace with movable combs, a plastic band. With the movable combs, it is optional if you want to leave them in or not. The cap is a 3D dome cap, so it's going to have a snug fit on your forehead. It is optional if you want to remove the adjustable strap on this wig too. Now for the Invisible Drawstring, this is super easy to do. It only takes 1 second to adjust the tightness to your perfect fit. All you have to do is pull, then push down for it to be secured, and if you want to undo it, do the opposite. I'm gonna go in with my Curl Essence Moisturizing Edge Control, and I'm gonna use that to slick all my baby hairs back so my hair is not in the way when I put on the wig. Afterwards, I'm gonna use a alcohol swab to wipe off any excess oils that I have near my hairline. You do not have to use any glue or spray for this wig, but since I want this wig to last long and I don't feel like taking it off and on, I am going to be using a spray in this video for the lace to be more secured. I'm going in with the edge stick just to make sure that all the little flyaways are not in the way while I set down the lace. I'm gonna go in with my Even Wonder lace spray to make sure that it'll give my lace extra security. If I were you, I would definitely do this by section instead of like all at once just like me. That was my little mistake. When you do this, start with your forehead, then lay it down, then spray again on your sides, then lay it down. I ended up doing that in this video, but it's just way more faster if you just already do that from the beginning. All the products that I'll be using in this video will be linked down below. It took me about under 5 minutes or so to do this process. I had added about 2 to 3 layers just to make sure that this hair will last me all day or at least 2 days, but like I said, you do not have to do this step. It is really optional. Now I'm going to show you guys how I fully secure the wig using the Invisible Drawstring. The Invisible Drawstring is going to help me not to have to glue down or spray the lace that's underneath the wig. It's going to help the hair look way more natural, especially when I put it up in a bun or a ponytail, just like this. Next, I'm going to comb the hair while I wait for my lace to melt for about 5 minutes. The density on this hair is 180%. It honestly looks like it's 200% because this hair is so full. And this is how the hair looks when it's fully brushed out. Next, I'm going in with my Eben lace melt spray, and this is going to help make the lace look extra invisible. I don't have to spray a lot of this like I did with the Eben Wonder Lace spray to secure it because it is already secured, but this is going to help the lace look more invisible. Especially on the sides of my hairline. I don't have a round hairline, I have like a different type of hairline, so most of the lace did get on the sides of my hairline, so I needed to melt that. Since this is a 360 wig, you can style it any type of way you want, part it in the middle, side, however you want, but I decided to part my hair in the middle since I haven't parted my hair in the middle in a while. I'm gonna use a hot comb and a hair wax stick to make sure that it's flat in the middle, but not too flat. Next, it's time to style this hair, and when it comes to hair like this, I make sure to treat it like it's my real hair, and I want this wig to last me a long time too. So I'm going to be using some really good, affordable, high quality products in this hair. Once I'm done wetting it and brushing the hair, I'm gonna go in with my Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream. They have a bigger size in this, but I'm just using the travel size since I have it. I'm just starting from the bottom and working my way up. And this is gonna help keep the hair defined and moisturized at the same time. Next, I'm going in with the curl defining mousse to give the hair a little bit more definition and to help the hair not be as frizzy. Those two products right there really brought the hair back to life. I'm just going to be doing the same process on the other side. To give you guys a quick summary of the hair, this is a 360 lace wear and go wig. The hair type is a Waterwave wig with a density of 180%. It has a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. The hair is natural black. It has a transparent lace. The return policy is 30 days with no reason return policy. It takes about 3 to 10 working days before shipment. It has fast free shipping. It takes about 3 to 10 days, and the hair quality is 100% virgin hair. You can definitely air dry this hair if you want to, but I want this hair to dry faster and give the hair more definition and volume, so I decided to diffuse it. Lastly, I decided to add some nourishing oil in my hair just to bring back more softness in my waves. To top everything off, I did add concealer on my hairline just to make sure that it looks more realistic. To know my final thoughts and opinions about this hair, stay tuned towards the end of this video. This hair is so pretty. I cannot get enough of this wig. This wig looks like my hair. It looks so realistic. It's looking very natural right here, which I'm loving. Adding concealer right here really helped make a difference for it to look even more natural. One thing I don't like about it is that it just sheds more than what I'm used to. It's really not minimal to no shedding. It's like a little bit more than minimal, but it's not like chunks or anything crazy like that. So yeah, that's like one downside of it. But other than that, like this hair is really lightweight on my head. It doesn't feel heavy. Oh my gosh, I cannot stand when wigs feel heavy, especially when I want a lot of volume in my hair. I want a lot of hair on my head, and whenever a wig is feeling heavy, I just know for a fact I'm gonna end up getting a headache later. But I know with this wig, I'm not gonna get a headache. It's so lightweight, breathable, and it's still having a lot of volume to it. And this hair is perfect for the summertime too, since it's so lightweight. So I would rate this hair a 8 or 9 out of 10. Make sure you guys go check out ISEE Hair. I'll have a direct link to their site down below, and I'll have this wig down below and all the products that I had used on this hair. I do want to thank ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you guys love watching hair tutorials or just tutorials in general, whether it's beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, whatever, anything that's just girly and feminine, you guys would definitely love it over here. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much. God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.